Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome to all of you in Basic Piping and Welding course class. Today I am going to be start lecture 14. So in this lecture I will try to discuss with you about types of weld. Previously I have uploaded in lecture 12. So in that lecture I give you some basic information about the types of weld. So basically in this lecture I will try to share with you some more information about the types of weld. Then you are watching from YouTube channel Nur Muhammad and Facebook page Watch and Learn. So this all lecture you can get from this two sources. So if you still don't subscribe my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get the all updated lecture and like and share with your friends. So let's see what we have today in our lecture. So types of weld from the configuration point of view. So if we consider from the configuration point of view, then types of weld will be butt weld. So you can see in figure, this is the butt weld configuration. So butt weld, actually we have the three different type of butt weld. So you can see the in-a butt joint. So this is the in-a butt joint butt weld. So in-a T-joint butt weld. So this is the T-joint. So here is the butt weld. So in-a corner joint. So corner joint butt weld. So this is actually corner joint. So this is the corner joint butt weld. Then next, if we consider fillet weld, then fillet weld you can see from this figure. This is the fillet weld configuration. So fillet weld also the three types of fillet weld. One is convex, concave, and miter. So this is the fillet weld configuration. So it can be convex, this convex, it can be the concave, and it can be the miter. So for the butt weld and fillet weld leg length or weld size, regarding this I will make another lecture to show you the details. What will be the leg length or actual thread thickness or design thread thickness. So another type of weld is the slot weld. So what is the slot weld? Slot weld is a joint between two overlapping components made by depositing a fillet weld around the periphery of a hollow in one component so as to join it to the surface of the other component exposed through the hole. So you can see from this picture, this is the slot weld. Actually slot weld and plug weld, and actually these two are the basically same. So I will show you what is the difference between the slot weld and what is the difference between plug weld. So next see we the plug weld. What is the plug weld? So you can see this picture. This is the plug weld picture. So what is the plug weld? So a weld metal by filling a hole in one component of a workpiece with filler metal so as to join it to the surface of an overlapping component exposed through the hole. The hole can be circular or oval. So I show you the what is the difference. So slot weld versus plug weld. So you can see from this picture. So if you go the definition or something, you can see from here. Use the same procedure to create the plug weld or slot weld. That means plug weld and slot weld is the same procedure. The only difference is that plug weld shape is defined by diameter. So you can see when you see that this shape is the diameter or circular, this is the actually plug weld. So if this one is the actually slot weld defined by diameter and length. This one, so this is the diameter plus length. So you can see this is the look like is the slot weld. I hope you have you understand what is the slot weld and what is the plug weld. What is the difference? Actually welding is the same. Inside is the fillet weld. So this is the different only the slot weld and plug weld. So another type of weld you can see the from the penetration point of view. So if you see the penetration point of view, then weld can be the full penetration weld. So a welded joint where the weld metal fully penetrates the joint with complete root fusion. In the US, the preferred term is completed joint penetration, CJP weld. Then you can see the AWSD 1.1. So you can see that this is the term for the full penetration weld. So this is called the complete joint penetration, also CJP. Another is the partial penetration weld. What is the partial penetration weld? You can see from this picture a welded joint without full penetration. You see the before picture is the fully penetrate, but this one the not fully penetrate. This is the half only. So in the US, the preferred term is partial joint penetration, PGP weld. So this is called the partial penetration or PGP weld. So if you consider as a material, so you can see the first is the homogeneous. So types of joint homogeneous. What is the homogeneous? So you can see the definition: welded joint in which the weld metal and parent metal. That means these weld metal and parent metal have no significant difference in mechanical properties or chemical composition. Example: two carbon steel plates welded with a machine carbon steel electrodes. I show you here the example. As example is the pipe. So if you consider this is the plate, so these two side also the carbon steel, and this electrode also the same mechanical composition, and everything is the carbon steel electrode. So this is called the homogeneous weld. So next is the heterogeneous. What is the heterogeneous? Heterogeneous is the welded joint in which the weld metal and parent metal have significant difference. So previously we see there is no significant difference, but here have the weld metal and parent metal. That means this weld metal and parent metal is the different. The mechanical properties and chemical composition. Example: a repair weld of cast iron item performed with a nickel based electrode. So if you consider this is the cast iron, then weld metal is the nickel based. So this is called the heterogeneous weld. So let's see the next. So next is the dissimilar or transition. What is the dissimilar and transition? So you can see this picture, the welded joint in which the parent metal have significant difference in mechanical properties. So two parent metal have the significant different the mechanical properties and chemical composition. So example, this is the carbon steel, low alloy steel or carbon steel. Then this one you can see stainless steel. So weld metal will be different. So if the two parent metal have the significant different mechanical properties or chemical composition, two is different, this is called the dissimilar or transition. So here we get the three things. Number one, parent material and weld material, there is no significant difference. Second one, parent metal and weld metal have the significant difference. Third one, two parent metal is two different mechanical properties and chemical composition. So this is the dissimilar or transition. I hope you understand these topics. If you have still any doubt, you can ask me any questions related to this topic in comment section. I will try to answer your question. So thanks to all for watching full lectures, and you will stay with us to watch the all lecture. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.